Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is perfect if you have an above ground pool or a basically flat bottom pool and you're looking for a great way to just keep the bottom of it clean, keep it free of dirt, debris, sand, leaves, small twigs, etc. Because it is a robotic pool cleaner. So this was sent over by a company called LVKE. It's gonna come with a simple user manual here. This is the L1 model. It's also gonna come with a little power cord here. This is how you're gonna charge up the battery on this thing. It has a 70-minute runtime on that battery. So it's kind of designed for pool sizes up to about 860 square feet. Now the battery itself is a 2,850 mAh battery on here, and it's gonna take about 4 hours to fully charge when it's empty. How you're gonna wanna utilize this, you're gonna charge it up so it's nice and full, drop it in your pool, let it do its cleaning, and then you're gonna charge it before every single use. Now, besides the pool cleaner itself, it is also gonna come with this nice little orange hook. Just attach this to your pole for your pool brush or your pool net, and then you can easily pull it out of the water. It does have a basically what's called an auto home. It works most of the time. So when you put it in, it's gonna know where it basically was put in, and it'll, when the battery's all done, it will try to go back to the same spot. You may notice it'll move because if your pool is running, sometimes it will continue to drift. It won't always get back to the same spot, but it gets pretty close. But as you can see, it's got this cool look to it. It's got this blue and orange part. You got a handle. It's got this little kind of gear here at the back that's gonna help keep it in order. You just need to pop this in and attach it with a screwdriver. And then on the bottom side here is where you're gonna have the two slots. So it has two different slots with the little rubber parts. That's gonna be kind of cleaning the bottom of your pool, sucking up that sand, dirt, kind of any dust type stuff that gets in there. It will do kind of smaller leaves as long as they're not like super thick. It'll pick up lots of leaves for you, and then it'll pick up nice small twigs. Obviously, if the twig is bigger than the slot, it won't be able to pick that up. And then it's got 4 little wheels on here. There is a power button right here on the bottom. So the blue part, you're simply gonna press that, turn it on, and then put it in the water. If you press this and you leave it, it will auto turn off. And then underneath the blue little part that extends out, that is where you're gonna plug it in and charge it up. Just make sure that rubber part is closed so that way water doesn't get into the charging mechanism. Now, when it comes time to clean it out, you're just gonna have to simply go ahead and pull up all the clips. It clips in 4 different parts on the side, pull off the top piece itself, and then as you can see, you have the nice big container. It's got a mesh net here, and then you just pull this off and you can just hose this down and rinse it off, get rid of all the leaves. It basically just fills up this whole little section here. Same thing with this, just rinse it with a hose and get it all nice and clean. And then you're ready to go and clean for your next visit to the pool. Now, as far as pool types, this is gonna work on all your different types of pools. I have a Pebble Tech pool. It's gonna work on that. If you have a concrete, tile, vinyl, it's gonna be able to work on that gunite pools. It's gonna be able to work on all those materials. The only thing to note with this pool cleaner is it doesn't climb the walls. It is going to clean the bottom surface only, and it needs to be a very low slope or no slope. So my pool's almost pretty flat. It's a little bit deeper in the deep end, but it doesn't have a drastic slope or anything like that, because as the battery wears down, it may struggle going up that hill. So it works best with flat pools, but it's a great little pool cleaner. So if you're in the market and you're wanting to make your life a little bit easier this summer, maintaining your pool, this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.